Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to plan and execute webinars with Zoho Project. The first thing you need to do is create your project. Just click on the New Project button on the dashboard. This is crucial because it's the foundation of your webinar planning. Now that we've done that, it's time to set a schedule. Go to the Schedule tab and choose your webinar date and time. This gives us a clear timeline for our webinar preparations. The next step is to assign tasks. Click on the Tasks tab and start delegating different duties. This helps us because it allows everyone to know exactly what their role is in the webinar process. Now, let's upload any necessary resources. Go to the Documents tab and upload your presentation slides or any other materials you'll be using. The reason we do this is to have everything in one place and ensure a smooth flow during the webinar. Lastly, it's time to practice. Use the Meetings tab to schedule rehearsal sessions with your team. This is important as it gives us a chance to iron out any potential kinks before the big day. And that's it. You've just planned and prepared for a webinar using Zoho Projects. Remember, the key to a successful webinar is preparation and practice. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.